Passwords, what are they? They are basically the safe key of your safe, obviously. But what if someone knows your password, somehow they bypass it by brute forcing it or by attacking it with a dictionary attack, or you accidentally leaked your password and they know it. Now to prevent them hacking your passwords by brute forcing and dictionary attacking it, what will you do? Here's what you can do. You can create a difficult password with a mixture of numbers, symbols and cases so that it will be too hard for them to crack, maybe even impossible. But if you've somehow lost your password, well, I can't do anything about it. It's your fault. And how can you lose your password? Seriously, how can you and why? But for that too, there's one option, but not in this video. If you've somehow lost your password, you can probably be saved by a password manager where you can save your passwords, but I'm gonna teach you to make one in the future, and you can even store your difficult passwords there so you won't have to remember it.
Oh my god! Wow!
Alright, back to the point. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a password generator in Python with which you can generate difficult passwords. But before I start, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the future uploads. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can secure their passwords too. Now let's get right into the development of a password generator. Now I'm here on my VS Code, and over here I've already created the project folder as name as password underscore generator, and in this folder I've already created a Python file named as pass underscore gen.py. So it's basically the short form of the password generator. So it's basically that, and in this file we're gonna write our code, our password generator. So let's just start it. So over here what we're gonna do is I've already added 2 comments in the code, so it's for your help. I'm gonna provide you the source code in the description, so please go check it out if you don't wanna write it, if you're lazy and you don't wanna write it all by yourself, so you can do this as too. So let's just start it. So the first comment says import random module to generate shuffled random elements from a list. So let's just first import the random module. So import random. So let's just talk about what it does. So what a random module does, it's gonna generate and shuffle random elements from a list or from multiple lists. So, the list which we're gonna create after this. So that is what it's gonna do. So this is the real thing. The random module is needed for the password generator. It's basically the main thing. So the next thing is a list for selecting, shuffling the elements to generate a password. So we're gonna create a multiple list over here, like lowercase, uppercase, numbers and symbols for our passwords. So random module is gonna pick elements from these lists and generate a random password and say a mixture of it. So let's just first create our lowercase, lower underscore case. We're gonna provide lowercase elements over here like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can type it over here. So let's just type it over here first. Now the next list what we're gonna create is the uppercase element. So let's just create it to upper underscore case, the variable name, and over here we're gonna provide the string, provide it in the string, so the uppercase ABCD and stuff. So let's just create it too. Now the next thing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna provide the numbers. We're gonna create a numbers list. So let's just say create the variable name as numbers and equals to in this string we're gonna provide the numbers. So let's just provide it too. Now the next thing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a list of symbols, different symbols, and in this we're gonna provide the symbols for our list. So let's just provide the symbols too. Now that we have created our list, so now let's just mix it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a variable name as mixture. You can name it anything. I'm gonna give it the name mixture because we're gonna mix all of them. Now that we have created our mixture variable, and we have mixed all of the list variables in this. So all of our list, our lowercase, uppercase, numbers and symbols are gonna be added in one variable named as mixture. So it's basically gonna mix. And now the next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna provide the length of the password. So let's just say length equals to 8. I'm gonna say 8. You can do anything, you can provide anything, 10, 12, it's up to you, because I've provided 8 because the minimum password requirement, password length requirement from any login from any website in their logins or sign up, the password length is minimum length is 8. So I'm gonna provide 8 only. Now the next thing what we're gonna do, now that we have provided our length, so the next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a variable name as password, because in this variable our password is gonna generate. So let's just say quotes dot join paracenthesis, and in this we're gonna say random dot sample, and in this after this one more paracenthesis, and in this what we're gonna do is we're gonna provide our mixture variable in which our whole other lists are provided in one variable, and after this we're gonna provide the length of the list, which is 8. And after this, the last thing what we're gonna do is we have to provide the print element. Let's just print our variable which is password. In this there's our password, so let's just print the password. And now let's just save it and let's just run it. Press the F5 button and let's just wait, and over here in the terminal you can see this is our password. We have successfully generated a random password, a difficult password with the mixture of numbers and symbols and upper and lower cases. We can also create it multiple times, different passwords. Let's run it once more, and you can see this is our another password, and you can do it many times. Whatever password you will like to do you will like to select, so it's up to you. Now that was it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can secure their passwords too. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos notification first. So that was it for this video. Now that you've created your password generator, I'll meet you guys in the next video. See ya fellas.